In this video we see about phases in software development. We have to organize the developed software. Software is a step by step process. Each step in a software is called a phase. There are 5 phases in software development. They are requirement analysis, designing, coding and testing, implementation and maintenance. First one is requirement analysis. In requirement analysis is the first phase for developing a software. Next thing is customer and a business analyst interact with each other. That means customers set their needs to the developers for what they want in software. For example, customer need a software for an organization for storing employee details, their income, company's profit and loss. These are the requirements. Next thing is requirement analysis is stepping stone of any project or product. This phase also include the budget and time span. Budget means financial plan for developing a software, and time means time taken for completing a software. There are 3 types of requirements: functional, non-functional and interface requirements. First one is functional. Functional means it defines a function of system or its components. These functional requirements describe the function. A function is nothing but it represents a input, behavior and its output is known as functional requirements. Next one is non-functional requirements. It defines the quality attribute of a software system. For example, how fast does the website load? It is a non-functional requirements. Next one is an interface requirement. It involves an interaction with another system is a interface requirement. Next one is designing. Designing means a structure or overview of a software is a designing. During the design phase, it is a process to transform user requirement into suitable form is the main purpose of a designing. Before moving to the next phase, the design outcome is verified and validated, and then design has no functionality but only the structure of the product. The design of the software product should be precise and specific. That means the design should be in accurate manner. Next one is conform to budget and requirements. Next one is provide a direct solution to the problem. Next one is the coding. In this phase, the documented design is transformed into lines of codes in programming language is a coding. Coding is done by the coder or programmer who are independent people than the designer. Next one is a testing. It is the process of evaluating a system or its components to find whether it satisfies the specified requirements or not. Specified requirement means customer requirements. Next, testing is executing a system in order to identify errors, that means bugs or missing requirements in contrary to the actual requirements. It means testing. Next one is the implementation. Implementation is a part of the process where software engineers actually program the code for the project. Implementation is used for converting a system specification into an executable system. And then implementation success is depend on how much the user like the product and prefer to use it regularly is the main purpose of implementation. Last phase is maintenance. Maintenance stands for all modifications and updations done after the delivery of software product. There are number of reasons why modifications are required. First one is market conditions. That means policies were changed over the time and a newly introduced constraint, that may maintenance may change. Next one is the client requirements. Customer may ask for new features or functions in software. It is a maintenance. Next thing is software characteristics. There are 4 characteristics. First one is complete. The final product or software should not miss out any of the required functions is first one. Next one is it should be precise. Unwanted steps and operations should be eliminated. Then unwanted step leads to wastage of resources, manpower and cost. And the software should be in precise. Next, software should be in efficient manner. Next, software should be exclusive and reliable. So that means software must be unique. Thank you.